Hello everyone, this is Rawad Hossain from Team Devs. I welcome you to the video presentation of our project for Code Sprint. So this is a brief introduction and some description about our project, which is Giki Zero, a personal carbon footprint tracker. So what is this project actually about? So this Giki Zero project is mainly a full stack web application that helps individual track, analyze and reduce their carbon footprint level based on their lifestyle choices. So basically what it does is it takes users information about their lifestyle choices, and based on that they get some kind of um, visual representation that how much are they actually emitting carbon, and based on that they can actually see are they contributing or impacting negatively to the environment or not. So by this, they can actually measure are they living a sustainable life or not. So all these are a measurable product in our main project. And I've kept this project specifically aligned to some sustainable development goals. In this case, it is SDG 13, which is climate action. Let's come to the next point. What problem does it actually solve? So it quantifies personal emission level in a very easy understanding way. So the users can actually see in a very easy way that how much are they emitting carbon and what kind of level are they in. They can see a visual feedback through it, through charts and other progress tracking components over there. Based on that, they will be um, shown some AI-driven personalized suggestions to reduce the impact, which enables some habit tracking system throughout the project. And how is it different from other competitors? So it's an ongoing tracking. That means it doesn't track only one time. A user can take multiple surveys, which they can gradually see are they progressing or are they not following those kind of eco-friendly habits or not. So it has, as I've said, personalized tips by AI. In this case, we're using Gemini API, visual dashboards to see progress, a clean and mobile optimized UI to make it interactive. And all of this can be downloaded through PDF reports where they can actually see the categorized level in which segments are they consuming or impacting the environment more. So without any more talking, let's see a live demonstration of our project. So this is the landing page of our project Giki Zero. So I'll just scroll over it to show you how does it actually look like. These are some of the features that I've implemented in this project. It also has a chatbot where users can talk about the project or about the emission level they are in. So without any delay, let's start tracking. Let's get into our main project. You have Google signing as well as email password sign in options as well. So for now, easy sign in is Google. We are using Google OAuth for authentication. I'm choosing an account which I've already used a few times because it already has some data to show some visual representations. So while I was building it, I used this account specifically to show you how it actually looks. So this is the main dashboard of our project. Let me toggle it to light mode for better visibility. This is the dashboard. So this dashboard contains the current score, the impact level we are in, our current streak, how many days are we being using this app, and the points. I'll come to it more later on. Let's take a survey first. So here a set of questions actually appear. So it is not specific to 10 questions. Like every time you take this survey, it can be 8, 10, or 12. So every time the set of questions actually changes and it will be different for different users. There will be some repetitive ones, but there will be also some new ones as well. So I'll just quickly go through it. How often do you recycle? Let's say rarely. Typical travel distance 10 to 15. I'm just randomly putting in some data. Um, Primary transportation daily. Heating do you use? Natural gas. How many pets do you own? No pets for now. Food typically waste, let's say minimal. Rate of your water usage, let's say high. Primary mode of transportation, public transport, let's say. Travel by air, let's say rarely, once a year. Electricity do you consume monthly? Let's say on a higher level. So after that, it calculates basically how much are you consuming. So you can see that the toast buttons, it is being processing right now, and you can see that it is 340 kilograms of carbon that I'm emitting currently based on my uses. And you can see that it has dropped by 65 kilograms. That means previously, the previous data that I took a few while ago, it dropped. That means I'm gradually improving. You can see on this dashboard we have multiple visual representation like this graph and this pie chart as well. You can see that I've taken these surveys a few days back, so this contains my previous data as well, and based on this I'm getting some AI suggestions. Every time you take a new survey, it will change as it is getting those tips based on the consumption level of my carbon emission. It fetches from Gemini and some of the quick action toggle buttons. And on this side, you can see that a chatbot. We can chat with it as well. Let's say, tell me about Giki 0. Let's see what does it give. So it gives us about the description of our main project. You can see, you can talk to it more about it later on. We have some analytics. If you go to this navigation bar, you can see that previously I have submitted 7 surveys and my level of impact is medium. So it has basically 3 categories: light, medium, and high. And based on my lifestyle choices, I'm on the medium scale. And as you can see that this chart contains the specific categorized consumption level. So it can change based on my last month or last week. As you can see, the graph has changed, consumption levels has changed as well. Let's go into on other tabs. On history, you can see a kind of point system is there. Like you can see that based on my previous history and my current history, I have 70 eco points. Some to make it more intuitive, I actually kept this kind of interfaces where you can actually see in which level are you to make it a game like um, interface as well. Submission history, my previous submissions, and the report. So this report contains this kind of features. So we can download it and see our consumption level report as well. This is what the report looks like. I've already downloaded it. It will look something like this, and some previously downloaded reports as well. I can see the history. Profile tab, basic information about myself, my carbon tracking, my latest carbon score, and after that we have a settings page where users can change their settings. So this is basically it. And one more thing, this project is also mobile optimized. Like if I show it on 14 Pro Max, it should look like something like this. See, it's quite mobile optimized. You can go to other tabs as well. I've kept the UI clean to make it look modern. So now what happens if we start in login with a new account which has not been previously used? In that case, you'll see an onboarding page. On that onboarding page, you have to give some pre-information about yourself, like this one. Like let's say this is my name, my age, 18 to 25. This is how my profile is completed. So this is for a new user which for the first time logs into our profile. So as you can see uh, that this is our main page. It doesn't have any data yet. We can populate it by taking a new survey. So this is basically it. This is our main project, Giki0. This is the whole thing that I wanted to show in this video representation. Hope you liked it.